boosts your mood, reduces stress and insomnia, prevents heart disease, get better sleep, full of antioxidants, boosts your immune system, fights cancer, and more. All of this in one plant. The lemon balm is a popular herb used by millions of people. Scientists call her Melissa officinalis. The word Melissa comes from the Greek word for the honey bee, but it also receives many other names. Such Melissa is a member of the mint family, which is native to Europe and is renowned for its many benefits. It is bright green in color and has small heart-shaped leaves with clusters of white and yellow flowers similar in shape to mint leaves. It is not only grown in gardens, but also for medicinal purposes. Melissa is considered a calming herb and has been used medicinally since the Middle Ages. It is believed to help reduce stress and anxiety, promote sleep, improve cognitive performance, fight viruses, and relieve symptoms of indigestion. Today, lemon balm is often combined with other herbs to promote its medicinal benefits. It can also be used for culinary purposes due to its flavoring. It boosts your mood. There are several studies showing that lemon balm can reduce anxiety symptoms, increasing the brain chemical that plays an important role in treating anxiety. A 2017 study in Phytotherapy Research looked at the effects of lemon balm on brain chemical pathways. Similarly, there is evidence that lemon balm can help reduce depression. In the acute model, lemon balm significantly reduced depressive-like behavior, but the type of related neurotransmitter could not be determined. Researchers believe that an imbalance or reduction in serotonin levels is what increases feelings of depression. In a study in rats, lemon balm was found to contain serotonergic activity. Rats that received water with lemon balm extract showed significantly reduced depressive behavior compared to rats that received a placebo. This suggests that lemon balm may play a role in helping with the symptoms of depression. Stress and insomnia. One of the main actions of lemon balm, and what it is best known for, is its mild sedative effect, which can help those who are stressed. A study published in Research in Pharmaceutical Sciences found that lemon balm displays cholinergic properties, meaning it acts as a neurotransmitter. Alzheimer's disease patients often have damaged cholinergic neurons, which cause symptoms of forgetfulness and lead to the onset of dementia. Researchers found that regular consumption of lemon balm increased memory recall and offers therapeutic value to Alzheimer's patients. Alleviates digestive problems. In the past, infants have been treated with a lemon balm to get rid of colic. But in our day, infants with colic are treated with lemon balm, German chamomile, and fennel to reduce their discomfort. By using these herbs regularly, the infant might not cry as much, and it may get rid of the colic altogether. Lemon balm tea may also help to alleviate common digestive system ailments including upset stomach, cramps, and gastric ulcers. Lemon balm was effective in preventing the development of new stomach ulcers. Treat infections. One study published in Phytotherapy Research found that both melissa extract and rosmarinic acid inhibited new herpes virus outbreaks, including those that are resistant to standard treatments. Researchers found that melissa extract inhibited the penetration of 80 to 96% of herpes virus strains. Get a night of better sleep. More recently, research has started to back these long-held traditional uses, with much of this research focused on lemon balm's suggested calming, sleep-enhancing, and stress-relieving properties. And ironically, this long history of traditional use is translating into modern-day benefits that are more relevant today than ever, especially since lack of sleep and chronic stress can have negative effects on immune function and on our ability to cope during times of adversity. Researchers evaluated the effects of lemon balm supplementation in volunteers suffering from mild to moderate anxiety disorders and sleep disturbances. They found that supplementation with lemon balm relieved markers of anxiety and insomnia. Antioxidant-rich. What makes this herb a wonderful addition to skincare products? It's the ability to protect against environmental stressors. The caffeic and ferulic acids, which are present within this plant, are potent antioxidants. Bug repellent. When it comes to pesky bug bites in the great outdoors, lemon balm serves as a natural bug repellent. It contains very high levels of essential oil called citronellol, which helps to keep bugs at bay. A quick and easy repellent is to crush a handful of lemon balm leaves in your hand and rub directly all over your skin, avoiding the face. If you spend a lot of time in your backyard, where there may be mosquitoes or other bugs, it would be wise to grow a small patch of it. It boosts your immune system. There are antibacterial and antiseptic properties of this tea that make it an effective weapon against a variety of cold, flu, and infections. Aside from the antioxidant effects, this tea can also help promote the production of white blood cells and eliminate mucus and phlegm, which is where many pathogens like to hide and thrive. Herpes. Numerous studies have linked the flavonoids and phenolic compounds in lemon balm tea to a reduction in the herpes simplex virus. Lemon balm can be topically applied, but the immune system boost gained from the tea can also help clear up this sexually transmitted disease. Improves concentration. A study investigating 300 milligrams of lemon balm extract supplementation on stress and cognitive function found that 300 milligrams significantly improved maths performance, alertness, and immediate recall compared to baseline. Fights cancer. Lemon balm has been shown to cause cancer cell death in the deadly brain cancer called glioblastoma multiforme. It has also shown a positive effect on certain types of breast, liver, and some types of leukemia. Prevents heart disease. Did you know that, by drinking its tea, you could be protecting the health of your heart? By drinking its tea, you could lower your blood pressure as well as lowering your bad cholesterol. It has also been known to improve the synthesis of cholesterol and reduce triglycerides. Lemon balm has anti-inflammatory and calming properties that can subdue arrhythmias, that is when the heart beats at irregular intervals. And now, let's make lemon balm tea. Bring 2 cups water to a boil in a pot or kettle. Crush lemon balm leaves slightly between the fingers to release natural oil. And add to a tea infuser and place in a mug. Pour the boiling water over the leaves. Wait 5 to 10 minutes for the herbal tea to infuse, then remove the infuser. Side effects. Side effects of drinking this herbal tea are very rare, and research has also been notably limited on the effects of this herb when used for extended periods. First and foremost, if you are allergic to other plants in the mint family, Lamiaceae, the use of lemon balm may not be wise, as the allergic reaction can be severe.